I am Laneha Jinsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am going to review Apio Strawberry Milk Sheet Mask. It comes in this cute little envelope that looks like a milk carton. It claims to drench skin's thirst with this milk sheet mask which helps hydrate and nourish with strawberry extracts that is rich in vitamin C and provides clearer and brighter skin. It does not have English instructions, which can be a little bothersome for us international customers, but I know how to read Korean, so I got you. That is me before using the mask. I have pigmentation, dull skin, enlarged pores, blemishes, and some fine lines here and there as I am 31. I have an extremely dry and sensitive skin type. Now I'm going to apply this mask. I have already cleansed my skin and applied toner on my skin before applying this mask. There is a little pouch in this packet that holds the sheet mask and its entire essence. Apio strawberry sheet mask smells really sweet like strawberries, maybe because of the fragrance added to it. The smell is lovely, but gentle enough to not pose any discomfort. Some of the essence is dripping as I'm working with the mask. This mask fits really well and is holding onto my skin pretty well too. Also, this sheet mask is a bit big even for my big face. The mask feels a little cold, which is good in summer. The essence is pretty watery in texture and has a cloudy or milky color. It is non-sticky and lightweight. It has so much leftover essence in the packet that it covered my arms and neck fully. This essence absorbs in the skin really fast. It feels calming and cold as I'm applying it to my skin. So I will see you guys after 15 to 20 minutes. I dozed off a bit and realized that it was almost an hour of this mask on my face. I looked so funny. The mask has almost dried on my face. It didn't move at all. It was very comfortable. I didn't feel any irritation or anything while I had it on. It was just coming off from here. But yeah, that's what it is. It is still holding really well. See? So now I'm going to remove it. Also, there isn't any distinct smell. The smell really faded away. Yeah, it was very faint and it faded away. So let's see. Once I removed the mask, the remaining product was completely absorbed in my skin and it also made my face feel really smooth. If you look at the before and after pictures, you can clearly see that my skin calmed some pimples on my face. Like had some calmed pimples on my face. My skin is visibly brighter. Apio sheet mask has brightened my dull skin. But it hasn't calmed all of the bumps, but some of it. So it is safe to say that it is soothing. My skin looks supple, hydrated, and moisturized, due to which my pores have shrunk as well. My skin felt non-sticky but highly moisturized the entire day. Its effect remained for 2 days on my skin. I think for this price, it is a good mask. I will highly recommend it to everyone with any skin type, minus the people with sensitive skin as it has fragrance in it. Apio sheet mask is an amazing addition to any skincare routine. All the claims on this sheet mask are just right, so you can trust that you'll be receiving your desired effect. So, I will rate it a 5 by 5 because I thoroughly enjoyed this mask and I will repurchase it for sure. Let's see how much essence comes out of it. Little to no. Not at all. Nothing.